On the way to Universal.
Yeah?
Yeah?
This man Alex just took forever getting ready this morning.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
This man.
Yeah.
We're supposed to get what time was? What time we said 12? And what time is it now? We're supposed to get here at 12. What time is it now?
12.
Oh yeah, I can't even see. It's 1:24.
That's 12.
We just left.
Ready, bro.
1, 2, 4.
Later that night.
Just chilling in the hotel room. Just watching some monsters at work while we wait for Hope to get done with her fireworks show. Got anything to say to Hope, Zach? While you're chilling on her bed?
Bye bed now.
Oh, sheesh.
Wait for a second to go.
Day 1 Universal trip. How you feeling, Charlie? Fair enough, Zach. Fair enough. Hope.
Great.
Oh, Hope's the only one feeling good about this trip right now, guys.
Oh, I didn't say that. I said we didn't say anything.
Oh no, you're feeling pog about the trip. That's not great though. It's just pog. Whether that is
pog,
what?
it's like mid pog. It's like
It's pog, bro. It's not Komodo hype pog.
no. If
It's
it
pog.
would be
That's Komodo hype pog.
yeah.
But we're talking about like regular pog.
It's still like that's a weak.
I don't know, Zach. What do you think?
How would you do regular pog?
Regular pog would be
That looks like Komodo.
That does look like a Komodo hype pog.
no Komodo hop. Yeah, the eyes. You know what I'm saying?
I think you have to turn into a reptile to do Komodo hype. Actually,
No, my bad.
you have to literally turn yourself into.
I got you.
What do you think? What do you think, though? What is your consensus on this matter?
I'm just here and would like some coffee at some point. That's fine.
Coffee.
Man, I'm there. Yeah, Hope knew that already, Alex. Shut up.
Yeah, Alex.
Yeah, bro. Whatever, bro. Bro.
Yeah,
Bro.
Bro.
I'm gonna get on camera, bro.
Yeah, what
Don't slack, bro.
don't slack. That was close. I almost slacked.
Did you get that, Zach? Did you look at that?
I guess you'll never know.
Oh, bro, but you have the honor system, bro.
Yeah,
Honor says we have a camera.
maybe I did.
Well, yeah, but I can't tell because your sunglasses, bro.
But maybe I did. Maybe I did,
bro.
Bro.
No telling, bro. He could have. He's got eye shields, though.
Yeah,
Eye shields, bro.
Eye shields, bro.
Well, this
I
is
do not
actually
think eye
it's
shields.
actually an X-ray UV camera that can just see through
Yeah.
his glasses.
My bad.
So.
I guess you would know if I looked at him.
Oh, it looks like you did, bro.
No, I
Oh,
didn't.
run it back real quick.
Oh. Yeah, bro.
Oh, dude, he got you.
Yeah, bro.
He got
Sorry,
you 4K, dog.
Oh wait, there's.
Not even
Slacking, bro.
Probably not.
For what? Yeah, bro. How is this compared to Disney right now? Since you want to compare a lot. How is this comparing?
Well,
The City Walk.
It's like Disney Springs.
Yeah. So it's like on par?
I don't know.
If
I
you
love
take away
Disney
take
Springs.
away your bias, would you say it's on
Take
par?
away your bias.
Okay, I like the stores at Disney Springs more. Like,
But you haven't
if
even been in
we're-
the stores. What are you talking about?
Disney Springs has like good stores.
It also has good stores here. There's a Universal.
Is there a
Studios store.
Lululemon store here?
I don't
think
know.
so.
Probably.
Probably. There's like
Don't
there's a
think
whole
so.
side of it over that way. That's also
Let's
part of
look
it.
up.
Well, you're wrong because she thinks so. Okay.
Fair enough. She's probably right if I'm being honest, but
To be honest. Yeah.
I thought the shadows is for. You see like the shadow of Florida as well.
It's free. Like Disney Springs is
Well, if you don't count the parking.
free. True. Oh, that sucks. Disney Springs, you just park. You don't have to pay for that parking either.
Yeah, whatever. So we're heading straight to the back of the park. Hey. Hey, dude. Whoop.
Again, I'm trying not to say no to any ride.
Hey. What?
see how fast we can build this tree. Oh yeah. All right, let's do this. Yeah, keep it going. Here we go.
How y'all feeling? Kind of pumped. Just got some sick beats. Now we're in line for Fast and Furious. I don't know how you guys are gonna feel about this track, but
Alright.
it's not amazing.
Alright.
But I mean I enjoy it.
Why didn't you get out your wand? You missed opportunity. I know.
I'm trying to see if there's anyone up there, bro. I don't see anybody.
I'm trying to get my
Y'all trying to get out here, bro?
All of us together?
Y'all
Vibing in the bus?
surviving in the night bus, bro.
Vibing in the
The night bus in the day.
Good night, boss.
Take it away, Annie.
Oh, sorry.
Take
I
it
just
away.
touched it up. Oh, there it goes. There.
Yeah. It's just the bathroom.
It's just it's the.
Oh wow.
Yeah, Zach.
This is sick. Alright, we gotta go to every store.
Gringotts Bank. That's where we're going first.
Where are we going first?
Gringotts Bank.
Okay. Is that the?
We'll go there later, bro. But no, that's like one of the restaurants. Doesn't it look just like a movie, guys?
Yeah, like those are two. You know what, now that I'm looking at them in my place, this is so cool.
This is so
This is the movie, legit, bro. No, okay, I would say the Flash Pass line is less cool, though. Yeah, you get the more full theme in this way. I just did the same thing you did, literally.
Yeah, you did.
Bro.
Verbatim. Really good shot. Can I get that money shot again?
I did. Epic.
I'll be honest, for some reason I don't remember these guys being on this side.
You don't remember Green Goblin Man?
No, I do, but for some reason I thought he was over there. I thought I zoomed in.
It's Green Goblin Man.
Green Goblin, man.
Flashback. Just got off of the Rip Ride Rocket. How y'all feeling?
Feeling, bro. That's pretty nice.
How y'all feel, Hope?
My heart rate is still trying to go
What's that
down.
at? Let me see that. Let me see that heart rate.
It might take a second.
Spiked that at 190.
190 was the
Spiked
highest
at a
I saw.
190 for Hope. What we got, bro?
160.
Okay, we're good. We're good. We're down. We're good.
190. And then, like, as he's saying that, it just drops me. Like in the middle of it.
All right, Zach. We're about to head over to Mummy. It's gonna be fun. What did you think of it, Zach?
It was awesome. It was good. I didn't get the music I wanted. I was a little disappointed about that. But
Next time, bro. We'll go on again the third day.
We got
No
that
cap?
boing, boing,
Hopefully,
boing, boing.
Evanescence will show back up on there. We'll be able to take it.
Maybe, bro.
If they don't, then I'll definitely have a song pick.
All right. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. This one's cool. Specialis Revelio. Ooh. Wingardium Leviosa.
We're just chilling here at Moe's.
How do you say that?
Just for a break. It's been a long day. But yeah. Zach, what is your favorite ride been so far today?
The red.
Rip Ride Rocket?
Yeah.
Hope?
That has not been my favorite ride so far.
What is your favorite ride been so far?
It has been her favorite ride so far.
I liked the Harry Potter one.
Gringotts?
Yes. I like that one.
Awesome. Do you want to show your wand up close to the camera, Zach? You get closer, bro. I need to get like a good. No, not like not that side, but the side of it, bro. Bro, not that side, bro. There we go, bro. Look at that beauty, bro. Oh yeah, that's good. That's good. It's good stuff. But Charlie has been taking a poop for the last like 5 to 10 minutes, so don't know if I'll ever see that guy again. But yeah, we have, what all have we ridden so far? We rode Fast and Furious, Gringotts,
Your mom.
yep, my mom, E.T., Rip Ride Rocket, and the Mummy, right? That's been all of them?
Yeah.
So we still have a little ways to go. Huh? Yeah.
You rode his mom.
Yeah. What took you so long?
I had to take a steamer.
What was your favorite ride today so far? You have 45 seconds, bro, because my
I literally forgot the name of it. The rocket.
Rip Ride Rocket. That's probably my favorite too so far. Mummy's really good too, but I think Rip Ride Rocket's my favorite.
Ride rocket again.
Maybe.
Well, she will tomorrow. Or not tomorrow, the next day.
Yikes.
The third day.
Maybe.
Yeah.
For sure. Definitely, right? Definitely. That's a look, the camera says yes, so you say yes. Right?
That's how it works. Yeah.
Alright, bro. This is the that's it, bro. I think this is the death of this SD card. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you watched this all the way through, this is actually the first vlog I ever recorded on my GoPro. So you may have noticed that it is a little bit rougher than some of the other videos. My vlogging skills weren't really what they are now, and they still aren't great, but they definitely have improved since this since I recorded this. And the SD card I was using was pretty small, so the first day that we were at Universal, I didn't have much footage. So I apologize for this being not the same quality or like the other video had, basically. The other videos have had. But parts 2 and 3 were recorded on a longer SD card, and I feel like I've figured out how to get more good footage while we were on the trip. So hopefully part 2 and part 3 are a little bit better. If you guys didn't like this one as much, I definitely understand, but I figured I was gonna post anyways. It's been a while since I've recorded this, so yeah, I'm still trying to put it all together, but I appreciate you guys watching. Thanks.